Guys, it's Friday, so Sunday I'll be putting in the dash, but this morning I got in early. I had some time. I still got to fix the fender flares. I got some parts in today, touch up some paint for the show, but we got the windows in the back end this morning. That didn't take that long. Got this in, this side's in, and this side's in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and give the car a quick wash so I could take these door cards out and work on these seals in here so I could get all the seals glued in. I forgot I got to take the tints off of these, and I got to take the tints off and then put these rubber seals in I didn't replace, and then glue in the seals that go on the door. This way this closes, and then I go ahead and just put my seats in back in, and then all I have to do now is just work on getting the windshield in and then getting the dash stuff situated, and then change some hoses in the front, and we should be ready to go and get the sunroof in, of course. But this way you guys can see where I'm at right now. All right, so got the ducktail in, and you know there's a bunch of little miscellaneous things I got to do, but those don't take that much time. I'm just happy I got the windows in. So the windows are in now. I just got to clean up the interior. The rear seat delete is sitting right there. So then I still got that whole shit to do, but let's see how far I get. This is what I'm doing today, and just trying to get some stuff knocked off. So I decided to give the car a wash, and I clay barred it with some clay bar right here and some spray. So I went around and I touched up some of the spots that had some paint chip for now until I get those fixed. But you can see the shine on it. You can even see my reflection on it. I do gotta buff the car out, but you can see all three windows are in the back. And I took the skids off the back right now. I gotta finish putting in the seals on these doors and gluing them in and getting the seats in, and then I can start working on the dash, get the sunroof done, and I gotta waiting for the windshield to come in this week so we can go ahead and get that in. But you see I gotta just buff this out, this stain here. I don't know how this happened, but hopefully I could get that buffed out with some compound. You can see the shine on the glass. I gotta clean this glass up. So that went in pretty easy. The other side window went in pretty easy. I just gotta finish the seals on the door, and then that's where we're at. So you can see there's the front. I got the front lip on. Gotta put the markers on the front. Car's still a little wet. Of course, I gotta buff all this. I don't know where these scratches came from. And I missed a spot here, so I'm gonna touch that up. I touched that little spot up for right now. Gotta get these in. But it's coming together. All the windows are in. I can start finishing tucking in the upholstery inside. Got the rear seat delete right here. And that's where I'm at. So we're getting there, guys. It's beginning to look like a car. It looks like a Mark II in the back. It's pretty cool. Like, it really does. It's crazy how these cars just always look alike. But I'm really loving this car now, so just can't wait to drive it next week. Next week is the day, guys.